What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Technical Sundays. As you guys know, I'm Odin, and for Technical Sundays I pretty much break down some pairs that I'm looking to trade for you guys. So pretty much pairs that I see interesting setups on. So for this week we're going to be looking at Euro USD, we're going to be looking at gold, and we're also going to be looking at Euro GBP. So if you guys been following Technical Sundays from last week, I made some interesting calls on Euro GBP which worked out perfect. So I called a sell and I also called a buy. So both trades work out perfect. So I hope that you guys made some money from those trades. So please do not sleep on Technical Sundays. Right? I'm pretty much giving you guys free analysis. Right? So that you guys can make some money. Without further delay, I'm going to head over to the charts and I'm going to break them down step by step for you guys. What's up, guys? So as stated earlier, the pairs that I'm going to be looking at this week are Euro GBP, Euro USD, and gold. So for last week Technical Sundays, I break down Euro GBP for you guys. So I'm pretty much just going to run through the trades that I took for Euro GBP from the analysis that I posted last week on Technical Sundays. So these are the trades that I took. So last week we had a nice descending trend line here. So my prediction was that the market was going to push from here all the way down here. So we pretty much caught this move. Let me go down to the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, so this was the sell that we caught. Nice ascending trend line here. So we caught the sell from here. So it went short here, which was actually there. Stop loss was like here, and our target was all the way down to this level here, this strong support level. So this was a nice call. I actually missed this trade because it actually played out on the Sunday, and I don't usually place trades on a Sunday. However, the second analysis that I was looking at was the buy from here. So we took the buy from here in the signals group. So I personally took this buy and I also sent it to the signal group, and actually came out of this buy right here at this resistance level. So this was a nice call. A second. Yeah, so this was a nice call on Euro GBP. So I hope that you guys made some money from both the sell and the buy. I didn't actually place any trades based on the other analysis because I was just focusing on Euro GBP. So for the signals group, I also caught some other moves on Euro GBP, which was, let me show you guys. Let me delete this real quick. Yeah. So this was another move that I caught right here. This buy right here. So this was a second buy for me. And again, my target was all the way up here, this level here. So this was the second call that I made. Bam. So the market actually turned back against us, but we actually secured some profit. So last week Euro GBP was pretty great. So for this week, this is what I'm pretty much looking at. It's pretty much a basic setup. So we have a nice descending trend line here, and we also have a strong level here, strong support level. So my anticipation is that Euro GBP is going to push all the way down to here, and from here I'm going to look to go long. So I'm looking for buy opportunities from here. So the Galaxy students know exactly what I'm looking for. So we'll pretty much go down to the smaller time frames and get our confirmation. And for this one, my target is going to be all the way to this level here. So this is pretty much what I'm looking for on Euro GBP. So this is what I'm looking for on Euro GBP for this week. So pretty much I'll be looking for buying opportunities from here. So the second one that I'm looking at is Euro USD. And for Euro USD, it's pretty simple. Let me zoom in. So I'm pretty much looking to trade this from the 30 minutes time frame. So if you guys look carefully, we can see that we have a nice level here, stretching right across. So this is a strong support level. You can also draw our descending trend line, connect 1, connect 2, extend. So we can see that the market actually break to the upside. So my anticipation is that this market is going to retest and then push to the upside. So I'm anticipating that this market is going to retest this area. And from here, I'm going to be looking for buying opportunities all the way to this level here, this resistance level. As you guys can see, it's a strong resistance level. The market bounced once, twice, 3 times from this level. So again, I'm anticipating that this market is going to push to this level, and then from here, I'm going to be looking for buying opportunities. And remember guys, we have to get confirmation on the smaller time frame before I actually enter the buy from here. So this is what I'm actually looking at for Euro USD. So pretty simple, just a break, retest for the market to push to the upside. So the final one that I'm looking at is gold. Again, pretty straightforward. Market is in an uptrend, so connect 1, connect 2, extend. So I'm pretty much looking to see gold push to this level here. So we can also draw our descending trend line, connect 1, connect 2, extend. So we can already see that the market break, retest, and is pushing up. But personally for me, I don't want to enter this trade here. So what I pretty much want to see is for gold to push back to these levels. If it push back to this level right here, then I'm going to be looking for buying opportunities from here all the way up to here. And for here, this level here, this is pretty much a sell zone for me. So once gold push to this level, I'm going to be looking for shorting opportunities, probably down back to the trend line. Right? So this is pretty much what I'm looking for gold. And remember guys, gold can actually break through this trend line, retest and drop. So it can also do this. It can also come back, break through, retest and drop. But our first anticipation is that it's going to push to this level and then all the way up to here. And then from here, I'm going to be looking for selling opportunities. So these are pretty much what I'm looking to trade for this week. Again guys, we have to be patient and wait for the market to give us confirmation. Once the market gives us confirmation on these setups, then bam, we should be looking to make some money. These are pretty much the pairs that I'm looking to trade for this week. Again, it's early, it's Sunday, so I mean the market can form up on Tuesday and we get some more opportunities, but for now these are the ones that I'm paying keen attention to. So I hope Technical Sundays was informative this week again, and guys, please remember to like, subscribe. So see you again next week for another episode of Technical Sundays.